Right now, we believe the fire is under control. Again, casualties involved with the helicopter. We don't know what caused the helicopter to land on the top of the building, but people in the building itself, nobody has been hurt. Some people have been evacuated. This is all very preliminary, and the fire department is just in the midst of responding right now as we speak. Just that the helicopter landed on, to use a word, on the rooftop of the building, which caused the fire. So it was not a routine landing.